How to copy or duplicate your site on Wix. So right here, if you are on Wix Site Editor, you want to go to your Wix Site dashboard by clicking on Site right here at the top left of your screen, and then choose on My Dashboard. And then right here, after you've come to your dashboard, you want to click Wix logo right here at the top left of your screen. And then right here at Sites, it's all of your site version on Wix that you have created before. And for example, I want to duplicate this one, this newest tech mobile. What you want to do is you want to click these three dots right here on See Actions and then choose on Duplicate Site. And then right here, you can just rename the brand new duplicated site. For example, I want to make it second newest tech mobile copy. And keep in mind that some of the content will not be copied to the brand new site, such as orders, contact, invoice. And then after that, click on Duplicate and then wait for a bit. And there you go right here. It's your duplicated site from this one. And then to make it publish to public, you want to select and edit the site, which will take you to the dashboard of the exact site. And then after that, just click on design site right here. And then wait again for a bit. And then click on publish at the very top right of your screen. And there you go. Right now, your duplicate site is online. And then if you want to go back to your another website version, you just want to go to your dashboard by again click on site and then click on My Dashboard right here, which will take you to your dashboard. And then right here at the dashboard, you can just click on the Wix logo again. And then right here, choose any website that you want to edit or publish. For example, this one, just click select and edit site and just like that. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.